To discover or locate something. Find, discover, locate, uncover. I found my keys under the couch. He discovered a new species of bird in the forest. To come across by chance, find, stumble upon, come across. She found a beautiful book at the thrift store. I stumbled upon an old photo album while cleaning. To realize or come to understand. Find, realize, discover, recognize. She found that the task was more challenging than she thought. I realized I had left my phone at home. To obtain or acquire something, find, get, acquire, obtain. I found a great deal on a new laptop. He acquired the information he needed for the report. To judge or feel about something. Find, feel, think, consider. I found the movie to be quite boring. She considered the meeting to be unproductive. To discover or identify a solution. Find, figure out, solve, work out. I finally found the solution to the puzzle. He figured out how to fix the broken printer. Common collocations with find. Find out, find time, find fault, find one's way. I need to find out what happened to my order. She couldn't find time to attend the meeting. He always tries to find fault with everything. I got lost, but I eventually found my way to the hotel.